Volume of spheres. A sphere is a ball, globe, something like that, okay? Something round and 3D. All right, our formula, I'm going to write this a little bit bigger, is volume equals 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Kind of a different formula, but there you go. 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. Before I forget that, I'm going to write that down. Volume equals 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. All right, so I know what my radius is. That's all I really need to solve for the volume of a sphere. So my volume is going to equal 4/3 times pi times 4 cubed. And 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. Let's check. Okay, 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. Then we are going to times by 4/3 and then times by pi. All right, so 64 times 3.14 equals, volume equals 3/4. Pi times 64 is 200.96. I am going to write this as 1.3 repeated, because I'm going to punch it in my calculator that way. No, I'm going to write it the same way I already had it, right? All right, 1.3 with the 3 repeated times 200.96. So 200.96 times 1.3. If we put 3 in here enough times, it should repeat, right? There we go. All right, so that gives us our volume is 266.946667. We are going to round that as 268. So our volume is about 268 centimeters cubed. It is volume, so it is cubed. All right, let's try this problem. It says that our volume equals 288 pi, and our volume is equal to 4/3 pi times our radius cubed. We are looking for our radius. It didn't give us our radius. So what we're going to do is, first thing I'm going to do is divide by pi and get rid of pi on both sides here. So we have 288 equals 4/3 times our radius cubed. Then I'm going to multiply everything by 3 so I can get rid of that fraction. So 288 times 3 is 864, which equals 4r cubed. Then I'm going to divide by 4. And we get 216 equals our radius cubed. Now I need to cube root this. And I know that 6 times 6 times 6 equals 216. So when I cube root this, and we write that like this, if you can't see that, I will write that a little bit bigger. We cube root this, and we get 6 equals our radius. So our radius is equal to 6 inches. It's not squared, it's not cubed, it's just 6 because it's just that distance from the center of our sphere out. And that is how you use volume to solve for the radius of a sphere.